This will be one of the most male-centered, unapologetic videos I will ever do. Men, watch what these women are repost, watch the conversations that they're having, and start cut them off. Seriously, cut them off, because some of the conversations that these women are having, some of the videos that they're reposting, some of the content creators that they're following and liking, hate you. Yes. Some men, some of us like to tell ourselves that, some man really mess up and we're different. But some of these men don't care. They hate you regardless of how much different you are. They hate you. Learn to start cut these women off the moment you realize they have no sense of differentiating good men from bad men. Cut them off because them hate you too. Yeah.